Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most famous Austrian dish, Wiener Schnitzel. If you want to know how it goes, stick around, you definitely don't want to miss this. Wiener Schnitzel is traditionally a veal escalope, but you can make schnitzel also from pork, turkey, chicken or even vegetables. This recipe applies to all of them. I have here 2 veal escalopes which have been cut and tenderized very thin by my butcher. I'd say these are between 2 or 3 mm or 1/10 of an inch. If you want to cut the meat yourself or you bought it pre-packed, just make sure that you use the even side of a meat tenderizer to get it to your desired thickness, and if you don't have one, you can also use your pan. This works just fine. So I start by beating up the eggs and then I season the meat with salt and pepper on both sides. I put the schnitzel into the flour first and I want to make sure to press down gently to make the flour stick. Then I give it a bath in the eggs, and the flour helps the eggs to cling better, and it also is going to help to separate the meat and the crust later. The perfect schnitzel develops big air pockets between meat and crust while you're frying it. These air pockets then trigger the crust to separate, which makes it extra fine and crispy. For that to happen, not only the flour is helpful, but also the technique you use on how you coat the schnitzel with the breadcrumbs. Pressing the breadcrumbs onto the schnitzel is one way to do it, but that makes it a little harder for the air pockets to work their magic. I prefer to gently pull the schnitzel through the breadcrumbs and let them get cling to it all by itself. So after I'm done breading, I want to make sure to fry it immediately because the breadcrumbs tend to suck up all the moisture of the meat and that makes the crust soggy. To fry it, I use a lot of clarified butter so that the schnitzel can swim in it. Before you put the schnitzel in your pan, just check if the temperature is high enough. You can check that with either a wooden spoon or some sprinkles of breadcrumbs, and when you see the oil is bubbling up, then the temperature is right. Here you see me shaking the pan around. This movement is necessary to develop the air pockets and it prevents the crust from sticking to the bottom. After 2 minutes, we can turn them around and let them fry for 1 or 2 minutes on the other side. After not even 4 minutes, I got a nice golden brown color and I can take them out. I put them on a paper towel to get rid of the excess oil. So now we can take a closer look. The air pockets have developed perfectly and separated the crust from the meat. The crust is nice and thin and crispy, and that's what a schnitzel should look like. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment to let me know what you think. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified for more videos like this to come. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!